Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Gato plugins. In my last video, I showed you how to create color swatches from scratch. But today I am going to show you how to create color swatches from existing global attribute. So before starting my video, I hope you have already created your variable product like me. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Before heading to the main video, you need to install variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin. To install the plugin, navigate to Add New from Plugins. Now search for variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin by Imran Ahmed. Now install the plugin. The plugin has more than 200,000 active installations and plenty of 5-star ratings. After completing the installation, activate the plugin. Now your plugin is activated. So now let's get into the main video. So now you can turn your product variations into color swatches very easily. To do so, navigate to Attributes from Products. So here is the list of my all globally created attributes. Now before doing anything, let's see the product which I want to modify. So this is the product. This product has a pattern attribute with red, green and blue variations. Previously, the variations of pattern attribute was in drop-down mode. But after activating the plugin variation swatches for WooCommerce, drop-downs are converted into buttons. So now I will convert these buttons into color swatches. Now head back to the global attribute list page. As my product is connected with the pattern attribute, so I am going to make some changes to this pattern attribute. You'll notice type is not selected for pattern attribute. So to select the type, click on Edit. As I want to show the variations in colors, so I'll select color type for this attribute. Update the attribute and go back to the attributes page. Now again go to the product page to see how it looks now. So it looks different than before, but still it's not showing any color, right? It's because we have only set the type of pattern attribute, but we didn't define any color for the variations. So we need to define colors for each variation. To define colors for each variation, get back to the global attribute list page and click on Configure Terms for Pattern Attribute. To fill the variations with your desired color, click on Edit for the specific variation and select your desired color. First, I'll edit the red variation. Select red color from the color picker and update the variation. Get back to the variation list page and go to the product front end to see the changes. So red variation is now filled with red color, but others are still blank. So I'll follow the same process to fill colors in blue and green variations. Head to the variation list page and edit the blue variation. Select blue color from the color picker and update the variation. Again go back to the variation list page. Edit green variation and select green color from the color picker and update the variation. Again go to the product front end. So you can see all the variations of pattern attribute are perfectly showing their identical colors. If you also want to show the color swatches on your shop page, then you need the premium version of variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin. From the above link, you can purchase the premium version of variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin. The link will be given in the description box. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of the latest videos. If you have any query, please write it down in the comment section. Thank you.